If you're in search of some better accessibility and a heavy-duty look for your 2014 or newer 4Runner, excluding those limited models, these NFAB wheel-to-wheel Nerf side step bars in texture black will be a great addition to your build. Now these will bring ease to the table when it comes to getting in and out of your 4Runner effortlessly thanks to the drop step, which will be especially useful if you've added a lift or a leveling kit to your rig and just need that extra boost compared to other flat options. This set here will also provide that wheel-to-wheel coverage for your rocker for a bit of added protection if you're hitting the dirt. Just do keep in mind that these will hang a little bit lower, making these for light off-roading applications as well as daily driving applications. What I will say though is that these are a little bit more high clearance compared to other drop steps, so if you're looking for that balance of a little bit of clearance but you still need that extra drop, this is going to be a great pick. Now these are going to feature a narrow but a good sized step to plant your foot, and it's also going to have raised cutouts on the stepping surface for a non-slip surface for that extra traction, as well as some drainage so there's not going to be any puddling on top of the step. Speaking of the step, you're also getting that NFAB logo right on the front, which is going to add that additional style. Now up top, you also are going to have a large bar. This is going to act as that protective aspect for your rocker or your pinch weld area, and I do like that it is a bit larger. It adds more of that robust and heavy duty look. Now you also are going to get a curved end up at the front. This is just going to add that finished appearance to the side of your 4Runner. Now, like I said, up at the top, this is going to be a little bit larger than some other choices at 3 inches wide and made of a tubular steel construction, being very durable and able to take a hit when it comes to obstacles if you are doing any off-roading or just door dings in the parking lot. Now, this is also going to have a nice black powder coat finish on top. It is going to be a fine texture black powder coat, which gives it a premium appearance. It's going to match incredibly well with other texture black accessories you already have on your 4Runner, and of course, it's going to protect the steel underneath from rusting over time. This will also have all of the brackets pre-installed and welded onto the side step, which makes it very easy when it comes to install, and it's going to come with everything out of the box you need in order to get these onto your 4Runner. When it comes to price, these are going to be more of a premium choice at roughly $525. Now, comparing these to other choices, I really like a couple things compared to some other options. One being that this bar up top is going to be a little bit larger. That gives good coverage to that pinch weld area, not only hiding it for a clean appearance, but again, having that protective aspect. You also are getting that mid-ground or that balance of having enough drop to very easily get in and out, but also balancing that clearance aspect as well if you are taking your 4Runner off-road. Now, I think if you're in search of a well-built and a very functional drop step, then this is going to be a great option to consider. As far as install is concerned, this is going to be pretty straightforward, coming in at a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking you about 2 hours to get the job done with some pretty basic hand tools. At this point, we can head over to the shop and check out a detailed breakdown on the install step by step. So that's going to wrap it up for me. Let's go ahead and get into it.
Tools required for this install include a ratchet and a 12mm socket. What's up, guys? Today we're installing a set of side steps on our 4Runner, so let's get started. So mounting our new side step doesn't really get much easier. Our brackets are already attached to the side step, so we need to go under the car, locate our 6 threaded holes in the body, and install our included hardware through the brackets in our side step.
Now once you get underneath here, it's pretty obvious which holes you're going to be using. You might even have some 12mm bolts in there from the factory that you can pull out. And then we'll just grab our included bolts and thread those in. And then you can repeat that same process for the front and rear bracket, and then you'll come back and tighten those all down with a 12mm socket. And then you can repeat that process for the front and rear bracket as well.
So that'll wrap up this review and install of the NFAB wheel-to-wheel Nerf side step bars in textured black for your 2014 and newer 4Runner, excluding the limited. Thank you for watching, and for all things 4Runner, keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.